Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set any custom ringtone for any particular contact. So if you want to have a specific ringtone for someone special, then all you need to do is simply go to the contacts of your Android device. And once you have successfully accessed the contacts application, you need to select that particular contact. So for example, I want this particular contact to have a special ringtone. That what I'm gonna do is simply scroll down, and from here I can see this option which says contact ringtone. So simply click here and simply choose any ringtone from the system or any custom ringtone from your device. So for example, I'll choose any classic ringtone from the device. So for example, let's say this, and then once that is done, you can go back and you're all set. And here you can see that the custom ringtone has been successfully set for this particular contact right here. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.